Okay, so we're here for our bird watching number 2 video. Hey, it's not really bird watching, it's Thanksgiving Day. And so I'm going to go out and feed the birds the regular bird seed. Suet, it's fine. Niger seed, we don't really get a lot of visitors because it's not really summertime, it's not really warm, but it's fine. The regular bird seed, that's what we need to fill up. Oh, okay, now the rain just picked up, and then I'm like all the way at the here. The house is like all the way over there. I'm like, bruh, there's like no time to get there. So, which one? Oh no, this is bad. Okay. I just need to put the phone down. Because it doesn't cooperate. As well as you think it should. You don't close. And you don't let me in here. I'm trying to because I'm holding the phone with one hand. Bruh. Thing isn't even in here. Here it is. That's good. Bruh! Okay. It was like the most stressful time of my life. Trying to hold the camera, position it right. And oh my god, I was just about to drop it. Okay. Hold up. This is how you close the hashtag lifetime show. That's how it goes. Okay. So welcome back. Hopefully it's like Thanksgiving and like birds have Thanksgiving and they go. Okay, the rain is picking. This is how I'm walking. Dude, just look at the rain! You see the rain on the camera! But it's picking. It's weird. I'm up in my room and I hear and I'm wondering what that is, and that's the rain on the door. So it's pouring, but still good. Happy Thanksgiving.